we first get to your house, we're going to determine what's the best setup for us to use, whether it's the portable machine or if it's a stationary machine. You know, if you got to go all the way up into a 2-story attic and you know you're 100 feet from the truck, we're going to use a portable machine. And then it's just less hoses tracking through your house and everything like that. If you know, if we can park in your driveway and we can go right up in the attic through the garage, we're going to use a stationary machine because then the hose just runs, you know, through your garage, up your ladder stairs. It's not going all through your house, making a big mess anymore. So once we get that figured out, then we're going to go around your house and we're going to go to each individual duct run that you see up in your ceiling or your floor, the ones that blow the air out. We're going to tape all those off. We're going to leave one open just so it doesn't get too much negative pressure built up in your house. And then we're going to take a hose from the machine back to your duct plenum. And then what we do is we go around your house and we have brushes with all the different things coming off. Then it has compressed air blown out the end. So then we go to your supply registers all throughout the house, each individual one. We put the brush through there and it agitates it, but it's the air pressure that's getting down in there, getting in all the cracks and crevices and all the places that you couldn't just wipe off, you know, with your hand. And as that air pressure is going down through your individual duct runs, it's all pushing it back towards the big vacuum, and then the big vacuum sucks it up. While the guys are working and while the duct machine's kind of running, what we can do is we'll go through and we'll go ahead and pull the blower out of your old furnace for you. We're going to go ahead and clean that blower, get it cleaned up, and then we're going to clean, you know, the compartment where it was, and then we'll go ahead and get that all put back in. That way you get a nice clean system when we're finished.